Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the JRS Cars YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a car from Audi that's designed to compete with the BMW 5 Series, the Mercedes E-Class, the Jaguar XF and the Volvo S90. That is guys, this Audi A6. Soft limiter. The A6 is a mid-size luxury sedan from Audi, and this particular car is really rare because this 2017 model is the last generation of the A6 to come with, you guessed it, a 2-liter diesel engine. This engine is the last one to come in this car thanks to VW Dieselgate scam, and VW decided not to bring in any more diesel engines because of the scam, to clear up the name a bit. This particular car has a 2-liter engine producing around 184 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque, and this car does 0 to 100 in approximately 8 seconds, which makes this car quite quick for its size. Starting with the design of the car, up front we have the big hexagonal Audi grille along with the 4 Audi rings in full chrome because this is a premium mid-size sedan. This particular car is called the Audi A6 Matrix. Now this car is not called Matrix because of the movie, oh no, it's called Matrix because of these LED headlamps. Now what makes these headlights special? I mean, why is the car named after the headlights? Well, these Matrix LED units can actually judge oncoming traffic and actually cut power to individual diodes, thus not blinding people coming in the opposite direction. That's what makes this car special, and that's why this car is named after its headlights, the Audi A6 Matrix. With that, let's continue the wheels. So the wheels on this car are 18 inches, the tire size happens to be 245/45 R18, and these wheels look really awesome. I mean, these are one of my favorite looking wheels. 5-spoke look and the star pattern really gives this car a look of class, and honestly guys, these wheels are really awesome. We also have the S-Line badge over here because this is the top of the trim S-Line version. Talking about the side profile, we have this coupe-like roofline which gives this car a really sporty stance, and we also have this chrome line that runs across the entire window area, giving this car a business-like posh look. The top of the door handle is also chrome, and what you do notice are these request sensors over here which enable you to open the door with a key in your pocket. Again, you guys might notice that the rear of the car is sitting a bit low, and that's because this A6 Matrix has air suspension. Yes, this car has air suspension which allows you to raise it and lower it according to your whims and fancies, and that is a really cool feature of this car. Talking about the rear styling of the Audi A6, the rear is typical Audi. We have the Audi logo, LED taillights on both sides, the A6 badge, a chrome line and 35 TDI badging. Talking about the rear styling, below the bumper, we have parking sensors, this diffuser in grey color, I don't know why, and twin exhausts, and these are real functional exhaust tips, not just imitation ones. Talking about boot space, well, being an Audi, being a premium car, you don't need to open the boot manually, you just press a button on the key fob and well, the boot opens right up. So the boot, as you guys can see, it's nice and wide, you have a big space inside. The loading lip also is quite low, and below this you do have a space saver spare wheel. Right guys, the Audi A6. The Audi A6 is designed to be a vehicle that you drive on the weekends and get driven in on weekdays. So the rear seat is as important as the front seat is. Let's just check out the rear seat space of the Audi A6. Right guys, talking about the rear door pad, we have this manual sun blind over here to block out paparazzi, the sun, whoever bothers you. We also have brown leather, beige leather and this wooden strip over here, giving this car a touch of premiumness. We also have the door handles, speakers over here, a small ashtray and the window control. Right, getting into the Audi A6. Yes, once you're inside the Audi A6, you feel like you're sitting in a business class seat over here. The materials are really pre-auction premium, the seat feels really comfortable, underside support is a bit low, but that's fine. Headroom too is decent. Now sitting over here, there are a few things you notice. One, you have these buttons over here. What do? Well, using the button, I can control the passenger seat and move the seat front or back to get more legroom. We have the rear AC vents placed over here, a coat hook hanger if you want. We have a magazine holder over here. We have rear AC vents here as well. And this car has 4-zone auto climate control. We also have a center armrest, and if you open this up, we have storage space. And if you press this button over here, we have twin cup holders. Overall, the rear of the Audi A6 is a really nice place to be. You have interior cabin lights over here for reading, if you are into reading a magazine. Nowadays nobody reads magazines. We also have this slot over here, and this is for the optional rear seat entertainment package. With that, let's move to the driver's seat. So, we just saw how spacious and comfortable the rear seat of the Audi A6 is. Let's now check out the business end, the driver's seat. How is it to sit in the driver's seat of the Audi A6? Talking about the controls over here, well, we have your seat memory controls over here, the lock unlock button, controls for the mirrors, controls for your windows, and a trunk popper. We also have the Bose stereo system speaker over here. More on that when we get inside. Obviously, this being an Audi A6, we have electric adjustment over here, as well as these buttons which control the lumbar support to give you enough support for your back while driving for long distances. Let's quickly start the car. Yes. The screen comes up to greet you. The car bings and bombs at you. We'll cut that out. Right guys, sitting in the driver's seat of the Audi A6. The steering wheel feels nice and comfortable to hold. We have the paddle shifters. We have your indicators on the left, your headlight controls down here, your wiper controls over here, and the lever for your cruise control over here. Overall, this cabin feels really nice to sit in. The seat supports you really well. So talking about your control stack, I mean, of course, you have your Audi MMI system over here, and this is a really well done MMI system that's really intuitive and easy to use. We have the controls for your multimedia settings, your car settings, your vehicle settings. Basically, the brain of the car is over here. We also have your gear lever over here, your electronic parking brake, auto stop start button, the engine stop start button, controls for the audio system, I mean your infotainment volume, and these controls over here are for controlling the screen over here. This is, however, not a touch screen. Talking about the instrument cluster, I mean this is a part analog and a part digital instrument cluster. We have your speedometer, your tachometer, engine temperature, fuel gauge, and this virtual cockpit kind of design in the center. However, this does not have the actual virtual cockpit of the newer cars. This is like a version before that. Right, we also have controls over here, and these controls are for, well, the sunroof. So this car does not have a panoramic sunroof. You have a normal sunroof. But then again, this car is from 2016, so this car is from 2017. So that's pretty much all you can expect. This car has one more feature which is especially suited to the business tycoons among you who want to buy the Audi A6. Well, at the press of a button, we have the rear blind which completely shields you from the sun outside. And before we take a look at how this A6 drives, let's take a listen at the Bose audio system of this vehicle. The bass is spot on, the audio quality is crystal clear, there's no crackling, there's no interference. This is really a premium audio system. Alright guys, so driving the Audi A6. Straight away let's start with the steering. Now the steering on this car feels really very light, and the entire car wraps around you and you never feel its big size while driving the A6. One thing you do notice is the design of the steering wheel. My 10-year-old Skoda and this 2017 Audi A6 have a very similar looking steering wheel, and that just shows the actual age of this car because this generation of the A6 is actually quite old. Moving to the ride and handling balance. Despite this car running on low profile 18-inch wheels and tires, the ride comfort of this car is actually quite good. The air suspension works really well and silently irons out all the bumps, giving this car a very good ride quality. More on the air suspension later. Talking about handling, now yes, the Audi A6 is a front wheel drive car like the Volvo S90, and this puts it at a disadvantage when you compare it to the rear wheel drive competition like the E-Class and the 5 Series. Does this really bother you? If you have a purely city commute, this will not bother you at all. However, if you're looking for a car to enjoy on the weekends, take it down your favorite twisty road, then yes, a rear wheel drive car like the 5 Series or the regular wheelbase E-Class would be a much better car to enjoy when compared to the front wheel drive A6. Let's now talk about this car's heart, the 2-liter diesel engine. Now the 2-liter diesel engine is a real gem, and this car puts out 188 bhp and 420 Nm of peak torque. The gearbox on this car is a 7-speed DSG gearbox that shifts really very quickly, and the engine and gearbox are tuned very well to keep the car always in the power band and never feel the need for a bigger engine, and that's a real positive. The older A6 had a CVT gearbox, and that really dropped away from the driving feel. The only way to get the DSG in the older A6 was with the 3-liter engine and quattro all-wheel drive, which was unfortunately not available with this A6 Matrix variant. Talking about visibility, now visibility is great all round. You have good glass area all round. The rear view mirrors are really big and give good field of vision of what's behind you. You have a high definition reverse camera and parking sensors all round, giving you all the assistance you require to park this big A6. Talking about performance, now this car does 0 to 100 in approximately 8 seconds, and that makes it adequately equipped for this segment. Yes, a bigger engine would definitely be nicer, but for some reason Audi never gave the A6 Matrix with the 3-liter engine, and that was available only in the pre-facelift A6 from around 2012-2014. Moving to the point of this video, should you buy the Audi A6? Well, used examples of the A6 are available anywhere between 25 to 35 lakh rupees, and at that price it's really very tempting because it's available at 50% of what it originally costed. But wait, there is a big catch. Let's say you take this car for a service. A general service at an Audi dealership will cost you 50,000 rupees minimum. Let's say somebody broken your headlight. Well, that's 3 lakh rupees on this A6 Matrix. Yes, a single headlight is over 3 lakh rupees. And that air suspension, which is really very comfortable, well, if that breaks, that's going to cost you anywhere between 4 to 5 lakh rupees to fix. So you get it. These expensive premium cars, which are available at half the price, still retain all the expensive spare parts prices of a 60 lakh rupee car. And that's my point of this video. So to answer the question, should you buy a used luxury car against a new premium car? For example, let's take the Skoda Octavia, the new one, which costs approximately 30 to 35 lakh rupees. The used A6 or a new Octavia. If this is going to be your only car, you're going to use it daily for the daily grind as well as your weekend fun trips, definitely go for a new car. You can never go wrong with that. However, if you're looking for a second car or a third car that you're going to take only on fun weekend trips and only use it occasionally, then yes, buying a used luxury car at half the price, a really well maintained car with full service records, that's a good investment because you're getting a car at 50% the price, and at the same time your usage is not much, so the likelihood of parts breaking is also not much. Let me know in the comment section if you found this useful, and also let me know what other important things we can talk about when making these car reviews. A massive thank you to Mr. Fahad Fazil of Infraction Tamil Nadu for giving me this Audi A6 for review. And yes, another point in the video, you notice the bonnet may be open as well as the airbag light. That's another issue of these used luxury cars. Sensors keep going on and off. They are also actually quite expensive to replace, as is the case with this particular car. Soft limiter. See? It won't rev beyond that in neutral. And so, that's my review of the Audi A6. A mid-size luxury sedan from Audi that's really well accomplished in all areas. It's comfortable, luxurious, feature-laden and drives like an absolute charm. This car, not too long ago, maybe in 4 years ago, cost over 50 lakh rupees. If you're in the market for a premium luxury sedan that's diesel, has feature-loaded and will keep you cocooned in absolute luxury and safety, this Audi A6 is the perfect bargain of the century. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video of the Audi A6. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and take a second to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video really soon. Thank you, bye-bye.